Good morning, everybody. Welcome to one of the most favourite places I love going for a walk. Going for a cycle, and even coming up here for photography. It's just a beautiful location, and once you get a little bit away from the road, it's so tranquil. So I'm gonna chop this up because it's a long walk, and I don't want to bore you, so I'm going to chop some of this into listening to the rain hitting off my umbrella and some time lapse, so we're going to get there quicker on this video. Hey girl, how are you? Hello. Terrible weather, isn't it? Have a nice day. This yellow flower bush, it's called gorse. It's very popular here in Europe. You'll see it scattered all over, and it really glows when the sun is out. Fantastic colour. Right, enough. Let's get back to it. This is the lower lake at the Waterworks. Sorry, I'm out of breath from going up that hill. And as you can see now, it's raining, so hopefully I didn't get the lens wet. But got an umbrella over. And don't know if the sound is there. I could probably do an ASMR on the raindrops hitting the umbrella, but so yeah, I love coming up here. This is the lower lake. I probably said upper lake a minute ago, so this is the lower lake, and then there is an upper lake that we'll be going up to now in a minute. But don't worry, it'll only take a minute for you. I'll have to walk it, but I'll time lapse it, so it'll be nice and quick for you. But as you can see, this is the reason why I love being up here. Like the greenery, the peace and quiet, the flowing water, the exercise, the fresh air. Now this walkway kind of just goes down to the end there and hits the bush, but the other one up the top does loop around the lake. We should have time to go through all that now. Yeah, the wind is picking up and the clouds are rolling in, so I better start going. Yeah, I think I'll probably put up a few other call outs, probably when it was built, and you know, when this was made. Yeah, shall we continue? Well, don't really have a choice now on the matter now, do you? You're kind of stuck. You can either leave or you can come with. Oh, and if you haven't done already, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps the channel out. Right, back to time lapse. So if you go back on some of my videos, a long time ago I was actually here, and this was all dry land. I was actually walking out there in that water, and that tree in that water looks fantastic for a photo. The water looks very calm with just some raindrops hitting it. Would love to bring my photography gear, but that would just add 2 or 3 hours to today's trip, and I have a few things to do today, so yeah. So it depends on when you come here. You could be able to walk down there or not, like today. Well, unless you have wellies. Right. Now, where was I with the time lapse? Right about here. Okay. Another picturesque scene. So if you've made it this far, you must be enjoying this, or you can't find a remote to change the channel. If you'd like to see the extended version of this, please let me know in a comment. It can be arranged. This video footage for today is mainly developed for hyperlapse and kind of getting the time lapse, and then the little sections video. But if it's requested, if someone wants a nice peaceful walk along here, let me know. So we have made it to the next lake. So this is the upper lake, or the lower lake, whatever the opposite is of the one that I said is the other one down there. So you can't really see the weather too good, because it kind of exposes for the darkest thing. So hold on, let me see if I can adjust the settings here while trying to keep it dry and everything. I'll have to stop it, so hold on. Okay, so you should probably see the clouds a bit better now. So we are in the middle of a cloud right now, so I will be ending this video around here now. But I hope you enjoyed this walk. If you're interested in seeing the full version, let me know, and I'll come up here one day during the summer. Sorry, let me rephrase that. It is technically almost summer now. Let me come up on a good weather day, and I will do a full video. It's starting to rain now, and it's going to just get heavier throughout the day. It is Ireland after all, that's why you're here. I'll probably capture some footage on the way back, but I think we got some good footage there today, and yeah, it's starting to pick up. Right. Let me see. I like to finish off the last videos with a bit of Irish, so let me think. What's something nice to say in Irish? The other ones just kind of flew out of my mouth. Sláinte.